Public land management agencies in the northern Colorado Front Range offer a variety of educational and volunteer opportunities. But sometimes, finding a specific type of program can mean visiting or contacting many different places. Now there's a helpful tool available that narrows down options in the region. This resource, called Outdoor Opportunities for All, is for community members to utilize when looking for activities such as outdoor education programs, volunteering opportunities, or school field trips. It provides an easy way to search for detailed program desires or needs. You can search for activities your way, whether by program type, age range, the county you live in, land management agency, virtual or in person, or even the season. Each specific opportunity displays brief details and then a link to the host agency's page for more information and registration. The public land agencies listed will do their best to make accommodations for requests such as accessibility for wheelchairs and other mobility devices, language interpretation, sensory-friendly spaces, assistance in navigating trails and routes, speaking pictorially, and service animals. Contact the agencies directly via the links on the program page for accommodation requests. This page is also available in Spanish via the language switcher in the main menu. This tool is brought to you by NoCo Places, a common voice for public lands.